In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Phantom Wallet to BullX Neo. So it's actually quite simple. Once you are inside BullX Neo, you want to go over here to the left-hand menu and then click on Wallet over here to open up the Wallet Manager. From here, what you have to do, as you can see over here, it says Withdraw Wallets, and then you want to click Add Wallet. And from here, make sure you select Solana if you want to add a Phantom wallet. So once you have Solana selected, you want to give it a name. So this can be pretty much anything. I'm going to just name it Phantom Wallet. There we go, so Phantom Wallet, and then you want to put in your wallet address. So the easiest way to do this is to just use the Chrome extension. So over here, I'm just going to open up this Chrome extension, so Phantom, so you can do this on the Phantom app or on the extension on your mobile device, whatever you want, or wherever you have it installed. It's the exactly same process, but this one's the easiest because you can just copy and paste it in here. So you want to open up this extension and then click on Receive over here. And then make sure you click on Solana, so it's Solana over here, and you want to click copy. So this is this button over here, it will copy your address. You then want to close this down, and then you want to go in here to where it says enter wallet address. You want to paste that in, so right click and paste, or Ctrl V on your keyboard, and after that you want to click add wallet. And just like this, as you can see, your Phantom wallet for Solana has been added inside the BullX Neo. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.